In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online how to pay bills. If you've entered vendor bills and you're ready to settle them, this walkthrough will show you the simplest way to do it and how to record payments you've already made outside QuickBooks. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account and that your bills are already created. Bills are what you owe. Paying them will reduce your open balance with each vendor and keep your books accurate. Head to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the Create button. From there, select Pay Bills. This brings up the bill payment screen, where you'll see a list of open bills with vendor names, due dates, and amounts. Take a moment to review what's displayed. You can sort by due date to prioritize what needs attention first, and you'll notice checkboxes that let you pick exactly which bills you want to handle today. Select the bills you want to pay now or the ones you simply want to record as already paid. As you make your selections, glance at the totals and make sure the amounts look right. If you need to apply a partial amount to a bill, adjust the payment field to reflect what you intend to pay today. This is especially helpful for cash flow management while still keeping your vendor accounts up to date. If you're ready to actually send money from within QuickBooks, click Schedule Payment. QuickBooks will guide you to finalize the payment details, such as the payment date, the bank account you want to use, and how the vendor should receive the funds. Scheduling the payment here ensures the bill gets marked as paid once the payment is processed, and you'll be able to see the status update in your transaction list. If you've already paid the bill outside QuickBooks, maybe by writing a check or sending an online transfer directly through your bank, just click Save. This records the bill as paid without sending any money. It's a quick way to keep your books in sync with what happened in real life. Be sure the payment account and date you use match how and when you actually paid, so everything reconciles smoothly later. And there you go. Click Create, choose Pay Bills, select the bills you want to handle, then either schedule the payment through QuickBooks or save it to record an outside payment. Double-check dates, amounts, and the payment account, and you're done. That's all.